Hi, Steve McGarvey from Advertising Beacons. Just want to show you our Beacon portal and just how easy it is to set up a deal. What's a deal? Well, a deal can be anything. Let's have a look here. Let's add a deal. So I've thought about this in advance, of course, and let's just have a look here. This is a deal to go to Vegas. And we're going to pick a little icon here as well. Title of the deal. Okay, let's have a look in notes. A trip to the city that really doesn't sleep. I know it's supposed to be New York, but have you been to Vegas? Unbelievable. And what else do we need? Okay, a little bit of detail here. A bit of detail. It's flying from Newcastle direct to Vegas on the 19th of May next year. Just pop that in there. Copy and paste. There it is. Expires. Well, let's just put in a fictitious date. December 31st this year at 23:55. Okay. Now we don't have an address in this case, but we have a phone number. Let's just check what that is. Oop. So, if anybody fancies a trip to Vegas, get in touch with Diane Taylor. She sent Nicola and I to Tenerife not long ago. It was great. In fact, it was way better than expected. So that's basically it. That's the detail in. That is the... Let's just add that. That is the deal done. We'll be able to look at it at the moment when it finishes updating. There we go. Created. Let's just go and look at it online now. It's not going to look great because this is on a computer. Everybody that's going to see this deal is going to see it on a mobile. So there we go. There we go. And of course this can be changed at will in an instant from the back office there, from the portal. So let's just go and add that to a beacon, to Diane's beacon. Manage beacons and messages. Here we go. Let's have a look. So there is the beacon there, AB183. Let's add a message. We're going to add it to that beacon there. What's the message going to be? Let's have a little look. There we go. It's got to be a 40-character message, including spaces, punctuation, everything. No more than 40, and you'll find that that is actually 40 characters. Let's have a look for the deal. Here it is. All right. Date start. Just put it beginning of the year, just for the sake of ease. And what did we say? The end of December, did we? There we go. And the time start, midnight. The time end, 23:59. Now, here we go. Now you can actually choose what days of the week you want it to put its message out there. Time starts. Oh, we've done that, of course. That's basically it. Add message. So that beacon is now sending out that very message. Trip of a lifetime, May 19 from Newcastle. So if somebody's curious about that, they'll click through, they'll have a look, and hopefully they'll contact Diane. Well, that's lesson number 1. See you on the next one.